Here's my Beast, my Fit Street 1 2010 bike review. What I have on my bicycle is original Fit grips, fly-in bar grips, whatever. I got it with my Fly. Never get them, they wreck instantly. As you can see, because I don't have them on, original alloy gooseneck, Odyssey space bars. I really like them, they're nice. As you see, I scratched them up a little, but it happens. I need new tires. You can see the threads on them, but you can't see them. But they're original Fit tires that came with it. They're really nice, so I prefer them. And I broke my hub from grinding, so I got a stolen Raptor front hub, white of course. Alien Nation gold rims. Fit frame. Tell me, would this bike look sweet without stickers on it? Cause I'll probably leave this on, but take these off, cause these are falling off already. I'll probably leave that one on though, and this one, but take those bottoms off. And I have Animal Hamilton PC pedals. Original Fit sprocket. I wouldn't recommend this because when I was doing a full cab, my pants got stuck in the sprocket and the sprocket practically bent in half, so kind of like that. And I hammered it back together. It was too cheap to buy a new one. I have animal seat posts, as you see, but it kind of moved down because I tightened the thing too tight, so I'm using a screwdriver setup. Shadow Conspiracy seat, and Fit tires again, and Primo, I think, hub guard. I don't know, it's alloy. It's really nice. It saved me a couple times when I was grinding. Original hub and Alien Nation rim. My bike weighs around 20 pounds, kind of heavy, I guess. And as you see, it saved me a couple times. And there's the logo. You can't see it. But yeah, just tell me if my bike would look sweet without stickers.